everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about this girl wey just lost a life all because she go do surgery for Nyash. My people, as in una dey use indirect dey tell our God, our Baba God say no create una where I be waiting. Because me no see reason why you go do your Nyash when you get better fine shape. This girl dey okay, she's beautiful. Like wetin come make her now wan go do Nyash join her. Like that part, let me I no understand. This girl dey okay. This girl dey beautiful. Wanna see the girl, my people. Wanna see the girl. I don't know whether una dey see am well. Very beautiful girl. Very beautiful girl. Fine shape. This girl say e shape wey God give her. He say e not fine reach. He have to put more. Join her before she will come know say she fine. See am. Very beautiful. I don't know whether una dey see am well. Very beautiful girl. This girl said the shape where God give her. Say, no, you not fine, no. God, why you go create me like this? God, you not do it well. You not give me big Nyash, oh. You not give me big this, oh. And you the Nyash have so big. Like this girl can go do surgery for Nyash, my people. As the girl do surgery for Nyash finish, now she not feel survive am again. She do it for Nigeria there. But many of them are talking, they go. I don't know, say Nigeria there, they don't see the one now. She can't do you for Nigeria there, my people. As I talk to her now, this girl don't be RIP. Very beautiful, straight. This girl don't get on you. He not be horrible like us. The girl shape fine. Ask me what make this girl want doing and she join this one now. So you want to tell me now, say God will create you, and I not doing where I be waiting. God made mistake of creating you. I don't understand. Like, when they use indirect, they tell our God, say, you not create me well, you not doing well, I don't understand. Okay, why this beautiful girl now just go me safe like that now, my people? Why? Eh? Fine girl like this, my people. He said, no, God don't create her rich. He carry him own money, take go me himself. Now, wow, not the way Musa no go see for gate. Not the way Percy no go see for this social media. As I see her just now, I say, make I come say tell my people, no. Say, things they happen for this world. Like, not be the way they look the world again. I don't know what this world, they turn it to again. And you go just wake up in the morning. You say that to go do Nyash, now can be your own now. If supposing you get shapeless now, I'll say, okay, this girl because you don't find rich. You dey okay. Now your boyfriend say me you go do Nyash, I be na your sugar daddy. Because people like una na sugar daddy, 9 million for they follow. Now your sugar daddy say me you go do am. When you go they do your Nyash. I don't understand. Like, wetin una dey okay? You go just wake up in the morning, you say not to go do your Nyash. Are you kidding me? Are you serious right now? My people, as I see the video, the thing shockalize me. I say, oh, let me one, not go hear this one. Oh, let me one, not go hear this one. My people, like, what did they happen? What did they play? Where did they play? I don't understand. The one we call even tire me past, my people. The girl, mama, the family said they want to go sue the hospital where do the Nyash. I was like, now juju be that? Eh? Now this one be now juju be that. What they consider hospital? Your pikin go meet them at their work that they do. Your pikin na he carry his body go meet them say, Mona do my Nyash for me. So what you want come make you now go sue a hospital? You don't concern hospital. The truth of the matter, you don't concern them. As you go just wake up in the morning, you go say what I want to do now, and to go do my Nyash. Like seriously? Like seriously, my people? I don't understand. Now this girl don't be RIP. Very beautiful girl. Very, I will put the picture they do Tony. Very beautiful girl, my people. Very beautiful. This girl just go lost a life just like that. Just like that. Like, I don't understand. Where did they happen? Where did this world they turn it to? How, as in, I don't understand. Supposing you not see fire now, you did okay. See the other one that day, that one go to move fat for belly. He sick, meme. This fat, so for believe say you still go the if you they do gym, you really serious for you to come down. You go come down. And because say we now we never serious put for our own. If you serious, you go come down. If you don't go do this thing, the belly fat finish now, you don't feel it again. Hey, see one we go do another Naomi for Facebook. Now, if you see food, they call they eat now. As that one don't go affect the later. I don't understand. You don't go use the money to go buy your own debt. See this one now. Use the money to go sign your own debt by yourself. As I don't know now, do not forget about her. She wrote me, this one I be surgery go wrong. When you don't say Nigeria there. Me not if you do that kind of thing for Nigeria there. Your mates they go talk it go they do. You own in Nigeria, you want go do Nyash. Where till you concern Nyash this girl. Suppose I see you I will give you better slap so that make you get sense. Make you get sense. And you could just wake up in the morning, you say now to go do Nyash, now can be your own. Now to go do Nyash, now can be your own. What do you concern Nyash? Must you do Nyash? Must you? Beautiful. You did okay. Hey? This kind of girl, now the kind of English we go to cover for a month now. You don't carry a call. You don't let your future husband make it even enjoy you now. You don't carry your Benny shape go one corner now. This girl don't be RYP. The family said they want to sue hospital. Ask me to hospital call cost for this matter now. Wait till hospital call cost for this matter now. Hospital not cost anything. Now you use your hand. Take go carry problem. Go put for yourself. My people. This matter, I will not reason now. This one shocked me. Like, it shocked me, my people. Forget to go use the hand. Take sign you, baby. Shock me, oh. My people, oh. It shocked me. So, my people, please let me to share this video. Let the video go viral. And anytime you watch my video, always put thumbs up anytime you watch it and share it for me. Now let that one when I visited the airport, I beg. More let me share my video.